Hi everyone. Today I am going to talk about an important topic of computer systems. In the computer system is an integrated combinations of hardware, software, data, and user that work together to process informations. Computer systems are used for everywhere today. From the education and business to healthcare and communications, etc. The main goal of a computer system is to take input, process it, store it, and produce a meaningful output. This makes the computer uh, for the powerful tools for solving the problems and handling the large amount of informations and efficiency. So the part of the computer systems can be broadly divided into the hardware, software, data, and the user. Hardware refers to the physical components of the computers, such as the keyboard, monitor, CPU, and the memories. The software includes the program and the operating systems that controls the hardware. Data represents the raw fact of figures or informations that are processed by the computers. Users are the people who interact with the computer systems and give instructions. All these part must work together for a computer systems of the functions properly. So the next slide is the informations processing cycles. The information processing cycles explains the how your computer process the data step by steps. It consists of four main stages: input, processing, output, and storage. In the input stage, the data is entered into the computer using a device like a keyboard or mouse. So during the process, the CPU performs the calculations and logical operations on the data. The output stage produces the results in the usable form, such as the text or a screen or printed documents, etc. Finally, the storage saves the data results for the further use. So this cycle continues as long as the computer is in the operations. So the essential computer hardware include the input devices, output devices, and processing devices and storage devices, etc. So the input devices such as the keyboard, mic, and scanners are used to enter the data. The CPU, which consists of the control unit and the arithmetic logical unit. So the performance processing task, output devices like a monitor and printer displays the results. Storage devices such as the hard disk, SSD, and RAM store data temporarily or primarily. Together, these hardware components form the backbone of the computer systems. So the idea of the software runs into the highlights of the importance of the program in a computer systems. So hardware alone cannot perform in without the softwares. Software provides the instructions that tells the hardware what to do. The system software, like the operating systems, manage the hardware resources, while application software helps user perform tasks such as the writing documents or browsing the internet. Without the software, hardware could be useless. So the system software, most important software. The system software is the type of computer programs that is developed to run into the computer's hardware and application program. Here the picture shows how the software runs into the machines. So the computers of the data refers to the raw fact, figures, symbols, and characters that are input into the computers. Data can be different forms such as the numbers, text, image, audio, and video, so on. When the data is processed, it becomes the information which is the meaningful and useful. So the proper handling and storage of the data are essential for accurate results and decisions makings. These type of the data can storage into the computer to within the folder or addressing in the memories. Then the computer data can be useful for the another way. So it may be concluded, a computer system is a complete the data that combine the hardware, software, data, and user to the process information effectively. So the understanding part of the computer systems, the information's processing cycle, essential hardware, the role of the software, and the nature of the computer that performs the foundations of a computer's science and help us use the technology efficiently in the daily life. Thank you.